Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. Super excited. I have my June Glamour Jewelry Box for you today. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Wyatt. That's Zena. We're so happy you're here. Do hang out with us. Hit that subscribe button. We do try to bring you a video each and every day. Let's dig into my June Glamour Jewelry Box. If you are new to Glamour Jewelry Box, this is a jewelry monthly subscription. It is yours to keep. It is $34 a month, includes shipping, and you get 2 pieces of high-end jewelry for that price. All right, can't wait to see what the June collection brings. The theme of the collection is Summer Splash. And it says, this month's pieces are perfect for summer. The Summer Splash collection features pieces that are versatile, edgy, yet sophisticated. These jewelry pieces are such a dreamy new addition to your jewelry box collection. Get ready to splash into summer now with this month's collection. You do get to make choices when you sign up for this subscription. You can choose to get gold or rose gold or silver, or choose to rotate, which is what I like to do. They do send usually between dainty and trendy styles, which I love. And inside my little pouch here that everything comes in, you do get little cards that will tell you about the pieces inside your pouch and give you the retail value of them. Generally, your collection is valued at $50 or more. All right, let's see here. First up, earrings. I have a gold collection this time. These are pretty. I like the, they actually have these bagged independently. So I'm going to get them both out here and then show you. But these are a hoop, but an angled hoop. If I can get them out to show you. Here's the first one. So they have the stones, the diamonds, or they're probably cubic zirconias or crystals there on the outside, and you can see how it has that. It is a post, has that angled bottom. So very pretty. Let's see if I can give you a different look here. How pretty are those? Okay, and it says that these are the summer earrings. The value of these, the retail value is $32. These are the Madison Parker collection, and it says shine and sparkle. The summer earrings are the perfect pair of earrings that can be flawlessly incorporated into your everyday style. Plated in 14-karat gold rhodium, the summer earring is a dreamy new addition for your jewelry collection. I like those. I like that little angled look instead of the normal hoop, right? Okay, so there's both of them. Very pretty. All right, for my second piece, I have a necklace. This one also has that same angled look. And yeah. So a simple little gold V there. And the chain does have some room for you to adjust it. Has the typical claw clasp. Pretty, right? I know I'm very casual today. It is Saturday morning and I wanted to get a video in today for you. before I hit the pool. But this is really pretty. I like this one as well. Nice and simple, and with the earrings doing all the talking, I think it's nice to have the necklace be a little bit more simple. What do you think? I think it's very pretty, delicate. And you could also layer if you wanted to dress it up more. There's both pieces. You see me wearing these earrings a lot in my future. All right, and it says about the necklace, the retail value is $39. The Kendall necklace is a classic V-shaped 14-karat gold rhodium plated necklace, providing a trend-forward makeover that'll add some modern edge to any curated neckline. Wear this fun modern necklace with anything and everything. It's from the Laurel and Rose collection. So both pieces would be valued at $71 for your $34 price for this month. What do you think? I like it. All right, so this is, as I said, a monthly subscription. Once you sign up, $34 a month. It does include shipping. I will put all the information down below. If you did want to give this a try, of course, I do have a code for you. If you use the code HAPPY, you will get an extra piece of jewelry in your first month subscription that's valued at $25 or more. Cool, right? Yay! All right, this was fun. Always love sharing my Glamour Jewelry Box with you. I do love to stop over and check out my What I Wore videos on Sundays, and you get a chance to see how I incorporate the Glamour Jewelry Box pieces into my daily outfits. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Would love you to give it a thumbs up. It really does help me out. Do hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe if you already have. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And until next time, bye everybody.